Statistics and probability, solving problems involving sampling distribution of the simple mean. First, we have to get the formulas when we do a problem. So, if the problem is dealing with an individual data obtained from the population is x minus population mean over the variance. So, and if the problem is dealing with the data about the sample mean or end observation, is x minus population mean over the variance and over the square root of n. So first problem, we have the average time it takes a team of baseball players to compete a certain time is 43.7 minutes. The standard deviation is 4 minutes. Assure that the variable is normally distributed. So number 1, what is the probability that a randomly selected baseball player will complete the game in less than 46 minutes? So step 1, write the given data. The given data is population mean is equal to 43.7, variance is equal to 5, x equals to 46. So step 2, identify what is asked for. So x less than 46 dapat yan, and nagkamali lang po ako ng lagay. So step 3, identify the formula to be used. So z equals x minus the variance, x minus the sample mean, and over the variance. So step 4, evaluate the formula, and 46 minus 43.7 is equals to 5. Therefore, we have the answer of 0.46. So, paano nga ba nakuha yung 0.1772? We have the z-value table, kung anong katapat ng 0.4 and 0.6. Yun po ang resulta ng 0.1772. So, x less than 46 is equal to 0.6772. So, paano nga ba naging 0.6772? Ano bang ginawa natin? Ang ginawa natin is, in-add natin si 0.5 kay 0.1772. Why? Because less than 46 and positive ang 0.46. Therefore, probability that a randomly selected baseball player will complete the game in less than 46 minutes is 0.6772 or 67.72%. So another problem, the average time it takes a team of baseball players to complete a certain time is 45.1 minutes. The standard deviation is 7 minutes. Assure that the variable is normally distributed. So number 2, if 35 randomly selected baseball players to join the game, what is the probability that the mean time if take the group to complete the test, the game will be greater than 43 minutes? So step 1 again, write the given data, and the given data is the simple mean is 45.1 and the variance is equal to 7. N is equal to 35 and x equals to 43. And saan nga ba nakuha yung n na yan? Ang nakuha ang n na yan sa randomly selected. 35 randomly selected. So, step 2, identify what is asked for. So, x greater than 45 minutes. So, step 3, identify the form to be used. So, x minus simple mean over the variance and over the square root of n. So, given na kasi yung data na, given na yung formula na yan kasi may n naman na tayo. So, 43 minus 45.1 is equal 43 minus 45.1 over 7 over square root of 35. So, ang sagot natin sa x greater than 43 is equal to negative 1.77, negative 1.77, and nakuha natin sa z-value table niya is 0.4616. So another problem we have is the average time it takes a team of baseball players to complete a certain time is 45.2 minutes. The standard deviation is 8 minutes. Assure that the variable is normally distributed. So number 3, if 43 randomly selected baseball players to join the game, what is the probability that the mean time it take the group to complete the game will be greater than 48.1 and 49 minutes? So step 1, write the given data. Simple mean is equals to 45.2, variance is equal to 8, equals to 48.1 and 49, and n equals to 43. Again, saan nga po ulit nakukuha ang 43? Ang 43 natin ay nasa randomly selected. 43 randomly selected, given na po yan. So step 2, identify what is asked for. So 48.1 is greater than, so x greater than 48.1 less than 49. Step 3, identify the form to be used. Step 3, identify form to be used. X minus simple mean over the variance over the square root of n. So step 4, evaluate. 48.1 minus 45.2 over 8 over the square root of 43 is equals to 2.37. So, bakit nga ba ganito? And ginawa natin is pinaghiwalay natin sila. So, 49 minus 45.2 over 8 and over the square root of 43 is equals to 3.11. So, paano nga natin makukuha yung x greater than 48.1 and greater than 49? Ang gagawin natin, pagmaminusin muna natin itong dalawang to, yung 3.37 at 3.11. So, kung sino sa kanila yung nakuha natin sa z-value table na katapat nila, pagmaminusin natin, and remember, always remember, kung sino yung mas mataas, kung sino yung mas mababa, yun yung i-minus natin sa mas mataas. So, kailangan hindi siya maging negative. So, ang sagot natin is x greater than 48.1 and x greater than 49 is equals to 0.492. Therefore, the probability that 43 randomly selected baseball players will join the game between 48.1 minutes is 0.492 or 49.2%. So another problem, the average time it takes a team of baseball players to complete a certain time is 32.7 minutes. The standard deviation is 6, and assure that the variable is normally distributed. And if 30 randomly selected baseball players to join the game, what is the probability that the mean time take the group complete the game will be greater than 42.1 and 35 minutes? So step 1, the simple mean is 32.7. So, given na yan, alam na natin kung paano siya kunin. Step 2, identify what is asked for. So, x greater than 42 and greater than 35. Step 3, identify the formula to be used. Alam natin yan kasi may randomly selected. So, step 4, compute the probability. So, alam natin yan na uunahin muna natin yung nasa unang 42.1 and the next is 35. So, ang sagot sa 42.1 is 2.57 and 35 is 0.62. Therefore, ima-minus natin ulit sila. Kung sino ang mas mataas, yun yung pag-minus sa mas mababa para hindi siya negative. So, ang ating sagot is 0.2625. Therefore, the probability that 43 randomly selected baseball players will join the game between 42.1 and 35 minutes is 0.2625 or 26.25%. So, that's our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.